Hi beautiful people, and welcome back once again to Dacty for You's channel. I hope you all are doing great, staying safe and staying out of trouble. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support. I really appreciate it so much. God bless you. Please, if you are here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, share and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. So today I'm going to share with you guys how to make this amazing fried rice recipe. So here I have my saucepan on fire. I added in about 2 tablespoons of oil to it, and then I went ahead to add in my marinated shrimps to it. I will leave everything in this recipe in the descriptive box below. Please do well to check it out, to check the description box for the ingredients and their measurements. So here I sauteed the shrimp. It's all done, so I took them out of the saucepan, and in the same saucepan I added in my cut sausages to it. So I'm using beef sausage. You can use any sausage of your choice. Use what is best for you, what goes well for you, what you love, what you like to in your food. So here the sausage was all done, and then I went ahead to take them out, and then I added more oil to it, to the saucepan, the same saucepan. I did not clean it. Yeah, we are doing realistic cooking here. Hi realistic Sue, how are you doing? So here I just added in my ginger paste and ginger and garlic paste, and then some chopped onions in it. And guys, remember we are doing all this in high heat, so make sure that everything is already set, because you know this frying method is a therapy. As I always say, it's therapeutic, because the chill is all therapy. So here I just added in, sprinkle a little bit of seasoning in it. If you saw that earlier on, if you know me, you know how I season my veggies. So I fried the onions for about 3 minutes, and then I went ahead to just add in my eggs. I was just breaking in the eggs. You can just break them in one bowl and then pour in at once. Please do what is best for you, as I always say. So here I am just trying to scramble the egg in the onion. So that is what I'm doing right now. So after that, then I just season the eggs. Yes, we are seasoning every stage of this recipe, trying to just build the deliciousness and the yumminess. Yeah, so after that, then I went ahead to add in my chopped carrots to it, and then I added a little bit of seasoning to it, and then I stirred everything in. Remember, we are doing all this in high heat. No long talk, BL. It be total. Oh my god, how do you say it? It be total in Fauzia's voice. So after here, then I just added in my chopped onions to it. Sorry, my chopped bell peppers to it, and then I just fried that one. I sauteed that part too, fried it on a high heat for about 1 minute, and then I went in with my cabbage. Yes, this is no long talk biao in Fauzia. Hi Fauzia Mula, how are you doing, sis? You are so funny, girl. So I just stir that one in, and then we are doing all this in a high heat. Just remember that the frying method, I love to fry. When it's at the cutting stage, I don't like it, but when it's frying, I just like to fry because of the chill. So if you can see, I just brought back my sauteed shrimps and the sausage to it, and then I stirred that for about 1 minute, and here I'm adding in my rice. So this rice is already cooked, and I have the recipe of how I made this rice. This is not just plain rice, it's soya sauce rice. I have the recipe. I'll leave the link below. So I stirred that, and I added a little bit more soy sauce to it. Yeah, about 1 tablespoon to it. I will just leave everything in the descriptive box below. And guys, I'm telling you, at this time my house was like chill, and then after the chill, you just smell the goodness in the house. It was so yummy, and oh my god, it was so nice. I hope you guys try this recipe, and I know you are going to love it. So just look at it. It's so nice looking, so yummy. So please don't forget to share this recipe. Just look at it, so beautiful. We are almost there. So here I just added a little bit of green onions to it, just for more flavor and color to the recipe. You know, we are just trying to make this recipe so yummy and at the same time attractive. You know, the food, sometimes the food, when you see something and it's even yummy, it's not attractive, it just takes you off. But when it's attractive, oh, it's all, you just go in it like that. So here it is. We are all done and we were ready to eat. So I have in my salad, my fruit, and then I have there some black pepper, like chili sauce, shito. I have that recipe on my channel. I will leave that one too in the descriptive box below. So we are having some watermelons, grapes, and some, what is that called, strawberries. So thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you and enjoy your life. Stay out of trouble. Bye bye.